Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to find hidden chats on Viber. Keep watching the video till the end. Subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to find hidden chats in Viber, follow these steps. The first thing you will need to do is tap open your Viber application from your app list. Make sure to sign in into your Viber first. In this screen I had hidden some chats. Let's go find the hidden chats. In order to do so, go and tap on search button. Type in your PIN code that you set up while hiding your chat on Viber. As you can see that there are 3 hidden chats with this PIN number. Tap on the chat you want to unhide. And from the conversation screen, tap on the 3 dots at the upper right corner. And from there, tap on chat info. Now scroll all the way down and tap on unhide this chat. You will need to enter a full digit PIN. You have now find the hidden chat on Viber. Hope this video was helpful. If you guys have any question, let us know in the comment below. Thank you.